Bugatti Chiron Super Sport, a Kawasaki H2R and a Ducati Panigale SV2. Fastest production car in the world with a verified speed of 305 miles an hour. Kawasaki. It has a 4-cylinder 1-litre engine that's supercharged and it puts out 310 horsepower. Weighs in at 216 kilos. It costs £40,000. It's got a 1.1-litre V4 engine which puts out 216 horsepower and 124 newton meters of torque. It weighs in at 195 kilos and costs £35,000.
Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on new car comparisons and never miss a new video.
It's got me.